Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're doing another locomotive kit. This one being the Electrarail graphics and the N-Train kit of the class 483, also known as the X 1938 Underground Tube Train stock, which used to run on the Isle of Wight. Unfortunately it doesn't run on there now. Did have the fortune to actually ride on one before they go, but yes, the reason why it's a Electrarail graphics and N-Train kit, because Electra do the vinyls, because it's a vinyl print of the kit, and also it's N-Train because they do the bodies. So yeah, just gonna bring out all the bits which I need. I can live over there, and now do. Right, here are all the bits, and as you can see, it's a multiple unit. It is a electric multiple unit, and I decided to get this one in Network Southeast colours because I do need more Network Southeast multiple units. And let me just get these out. But I will have to say, for some reason I have got two of the same one for some reason, which I don't need, but I use that to practice with. And yeah, you got the front car and you got the back car. That's all we got there. You do need to get the some Kato bogies. These are, if you're wondering the product code which you need to look for 11-098. And yeah, these just pop on the bottom, just like that. And that's pretty much, that's it, all done. I'll just take them off now because I do need to do some painting. And the power car which you need, I'll just bring this back out again, it's the Tomitech, well, it's actually meant to be the Tomitech TM05, however they're a bit difficult to find at the moment, but this is the same size alternative, which is the TM07R. So you get one of them. It is the power chassis. Just take out the floor and you just pop that in and it works as so. And yeah, that's pretty much, there's no wiring or anything like that. I'm at a loss to what to do, but the main thing which I'll be doing is applying the vinyls, which this is the first time I'm using vinyls for a kit, so I'll be a bit careful with that. These are 3D printed, so we'll be giving them a colour. Giving them a clean and then giving them a colour, just to make sure that you got the correct roof colour, because you do need to paint that. I'll also try and do something for the inside or something like that. I will be painting the floor body for the well, for the insides really, to say you can. If you do have a look on the rear car, you will have painted insides, so it's a little bit more extra bits here and there. And let's all all that together. And I will be DCCing this off camera just so that it will run on DCC. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I will give you a brief view. Actually, one thing which I did want to do, I will be trying to add the handrails. I'll see how that goes. But if that doesn't look like it's going to be a success, I'll be skipping them anyway. But yeah, like I said, these are very nice. Give you a quick close-up view first. But yeah, I'll give these a quick clean and give them a quick paint and varnish, and then I'll also tell you about the prototype while I'm well, applying the vinyl. So I'll see you in a bit. The British Rail Class 483 electric multiple units were originally built as 1938 tube stock units for London Underground. They were extensively refurbished between 1989 and 1992 by Eastleigh Works for use on services on the Isle of Wight's Island Line. This was despite having already been used for nearly 50 years on the London Underground network. The units replaced the even older and life-expired British Rail classes 485 and 486 units, which were introduced in 1967, but were originally built as standard stock units for the London Electric Railway in 1923. The trains were originally built by Metro Camel as 1938 tube stock for London Underground. An initial batch was withdrawn from service in 1973 and they were considered for use on the Island Line. However, the underfloor equipment was thought to be a problem, as extensive adaptations would be needed to Railworks to allow fitters to access it. It was also felt that the underfloor equipment would be vulnerable to saltwater damage at Ryde Pier, especially in bad weather. The first unit arrived on the Isle of Wight on the 5th of July 1989, following an overnight ferry crossing from Portsmouth to Fishbourne. Regular passenger services using the class of 483 did not commence until October, while the last of the 8 planned units did not enter service until July 1990. The trains were 83 years old when they were drawn in January 2021. They were the oldest passenger trains in Great Britain remaining in regular passenger service at the time, with the line closed from the 4th of January for upgrade works, after which they would be replaced by the class at 484s. Of the 6 units which still remain on the island at the time of their withdrawal, 4 have been confirmed for preservation. Right, here we are with the finished 483 class now on the layout. Just to mention about these vinyls, they're a little bit more fiddlier than I thought, mainly with the things above the doors, and well, the ones underneath the doors kept breaking because they're ultra thin, so yes, that didn't work all that well. One thing which I have noticed is it keeps trying to peel off. Not too sure how to stop that. I may just add a little bit of PVA glue just underneath it, just to hold it down. That may help. Would say varnish it, but I don't really want to varnish it. Yeah, varnish it because clear stuff tends to frost up when you varnish it, so I won't be doing that. I'll just say from the front because there's a bit more better light over there. One thing which I have realised which I probably need to do is add a little bit of white above here, above the cab, because it's actually on the prototype it's meant to be a bit of white first, then carries on with the grey. Or I may just leave that, I'm not entirely sure. So I'm trying to press down the vinyl again. Anyway, let's have a quick test of how it works. Well, how well it works. This is still on DC because I couldn't really be asked to add a DCC decoder at the moment. So I was probably zoomed in a bit too much something. I'll do it once more so you can see a bit better. Oop. Stray bit of foliage, as always. But yeah, let's get it back over here. Yeah, I'm quite happy with this kit. So it's a bit more different than what I'm used to. But yeah, for if you want to get mobile units, and if you want to get a lot of mobile units, this isn't all that bad. So the chassis cost me £25 from Japan because it's a Tomitech chassis. It's best to buy them in bulk and that lot. So. And actually I only got 3 at a time because I needed some. So that's £25. For the kit itself, including the vinyls, it's £40. So about £65 for yeah, a little mobile unit. So yeah, it may not be the most detailed. I was going to put on the handrails on the front, but I decided not to, not for the moment. I may try at a later date, but nah. But yeah, so £65 for a little multiple unit. I can't really argue with that, and I'm quite happy with it. So yeah, I may make some more of these. I may do a few more tutorials on these. They're pretty much the same really, but if you do want to see more of these kits and that lot, do let me know. If you did like the video, feel free to comment, subscribe, and like the video if you really want to. And I'm just going to send a little 483 on its way. So yes, this has been James from Gosport Railworks, and I hope you enjoy your day. There we go. Take care now.